Hello and welcome, Victor here from Motor Matching Crewe, presenting today the Skoda Karoq 2.0 TDI SE. Finished in stylish grey and powered by 2-litre diesel engine delivering 150 PS, this manual SUV offers practical family space and economical performance. At the front you'll find halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights paired with white chrome accented grille. The vehicle rides on 17-inch alloy wheels, which strike great balance between efficiency and grip, giving you stable handling and smooth ride quality for everyday journeys. To the back, LED taillights, privacy glass and high-mounted brake light complement the look. Practicality is elevated by rear parking sensors, which make reversing and tight maneuvers a breeze. The boot is designed with convenience in mind, offering flat loading area, handy folding hooks and cargo nets for securing items. The 60/40 split folding rear seats boost flexibility as well. Rear passengers benefit from ample space, fold-out picnic tables on the front seat backs and ISOFIX mountings on the outer seats. The front seats are height adjustable with manual lumbar support, while the leather multifunction steering wheel puts key controls at your fingertips. The 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel provides intuitive access to the infotainment system and trip computer. Clear analog dials and the digital display give you everything from fuel range to efficiency assist at a glance. On offer is dual zone climate control, which ensures tailored comfort for both driver and passenger. The infotainment system comes with radio and media, which includes Bolero Radio with DAB and Bluetooth audio streaming, as well as phone connectivity and voice control, allowing you to stay connected safely with hands-free calling and voice commands, as well as SmartLink Plus, which integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for full phone connectivity. You can also access various car menus and settings, allowing you to customize your drive and view efficiency statistics with ease. This has been a presentation of the Skoda Karoq 2.0 TDI SE. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.